Hi, we're Scott and Laura Kemp, realtors with Caldwell Banker Realty Gundaker in the greater St. Louis area.
We would like to introduce you to our moving van. This was something that Scott and I really realized after working with buyers and sellers. There was a need in the St. Louis area. Sometimes we have rain, wind, snow, and people still need to move. Scott and I saved 3 years to find a nice used moving van, and Scott had some great modifications done.
So what we did is we took it to a company and they were able to put in a wood floor with the wood walls. We got the track system in there so you can ratchet things so the items don't move. We have a whole bunch of moving pads for you, the dolly, a rolling cart, so it's basically set up for you. You don't need to get any other accessories to start your move. How many times have you gone down the highway and seen a bedroom set on a trailer and here comes the rain? It doesn't matter what the weather is here, you get to use this thing and it's gonna keep everything nice and dry.
We like the idea that we did a van. It's easier to drive than a truck. I enjoy driving the van. I can stand up in the back of the van. We've got nice big doors on the back. We've got a door on the side. Well, we found out that our clients like to use the van to move their entire house. So you can borrow the van for as little as an hour or for a day or several days. Just give us a call. It's really easy to use. Together, we'll achieve your goals and dreams.
So let's get your move on.